Welcome to the fascinating world of biomedical engineering, where science and technology come together to solve some of the most pressing health challenges of our time. Biomedical engineering is a dynamic field that merges principles from engineering, biology, and medicine to develop innovative solutions for healthcare. Whether it's designing advanced medical devices, improving diagnostic tools, or creating new materials for implants, biomedical engineers are at the forefront of medical innovation. In this video, we'll explore the core areas of biomedical engineering, its specializations, and the real-world impact these professionals have on health and society. Let's embark on this journey to understand how engineering is transforming medicine. As we move further into the 21st century, biological problems present some of the greatest opportunities for engineers. Charles M. Vest, President Emeritus of MIT, once remarked that while the 20th century was defined by advances in physics, electronics, and high-speed communication, the 21st century is poised to become the era of biology and information. This transition means that today's students and professionals have the privilege of shaping the future of healthcare through engineering. The challenges are vast, but so are the possibilities. Biomedical engineering stands at the crossroads of this exciting transformation, ready to tackle the complex health issues of our time. Biomedical engineers are dedicated to solving problems related to health, and there is no shortage of challenges to address. From developing life-saving devices to improving patient care, their work impacts millions of lives. The scope of biomedical engineering is broad, encompassing everything from diagnostics and imaging to rehabilitation and tissue engineering. Each problem presents a unique opportunity for innovation, requiring a blend of creativity, technical expertise, and a deep understanding of biology. As we continue, we'll look at some of the most significant areas where biomedical engineers make a difference. Given the sheer number of health-related problems, biomedical engineers often specialize in specific areas to maximize their impact. The three largest specializations are tissue engineering and biomaterials, bioinstrumentation, and biomechanics. Each of these fields addresses unique challenges and requires a distinct set of skills. Tissue engineering focuses on creating artificial organs and materials that can integrate with the human body. Bioinstrumentation involves designing devices for diagnosis and monitoring, while biomechanics applies principles of mechanics to understand and improve movement and function. By focusing on these areas, biomedical engineers can develop targeted solutions that address complex medical needs. Engineers are creators at heart, often tasked with developing things that don't yet exist. In biomedical engineering, this means inventing new devices, materials, and systems that can transform healthcare. Solving health problems requires not only technical knowledge but also the ability to see connections between different fields. Biology, chemistry, physics, math, and electronics all play a role. By building relationships between these disciplines, biomedical engineers can innovate in ways that were previously unimaginable. This multidisciplinary approach is what makes the field so dynamic and impactful. Biomedical engineering thrives on the integration of multiple scientific and engineering disciplines. By combining knowledge from biology, engineering, chemistry, physics, math, and electronics, professionals in this field can approach health problems from unique angles. This interdisciplinary mindset allows for the development of innovative solutions that address complex challenges in medicine. Whether it's designing a new diagnostic tool or creating a biocompatible material, the ability to draw from various fields is essential. This scene sets the stage for exploring specific examples of biomedical engineering in action. Now let's dive into some real-world health problems and the innovative solutions that biomedical engineers have developed. From cardiovascular diseases to cancer and mobility challenges, the range of issues tackled by these professionals is vast. Each problem requires a tailored approach, leveraging the latest advancements in science and technology. We'll explore how biomedical engineers use their expertise to design devices, develop new materials, and improve patient outcome. These examples highlight the tangible impact of biomedical engineering on everyday life. One of the most significant contributions of biomedical engineering is the development of stents for cardiovascular health. Stents are tiny devices that hold open blood vessels blocked by atherosclerosis, restoring proper blood flow and preventing heart attacks. Over the years, engineers have created advanced stents that last longer and work more effectively. These include drug-eluting stents, which slowly release medication to prevent reblockage, bioresorbable stents that degrade over time, and EPTFE-coated stents that resist blood clots. Each innovation addresses specific challenges, improving patient outcomes and quality of life. Drug-eluting stents represent a major breakthrough in cardiovascular treatment. These stents are coated with a special drug that is gradually released into the artery, helping to prevent the vessel from becoming blocked again. The slow release of medication reduces the risk of adverse long-term reactions and improves the overall success rate of the procedure. By combining engineering with pharmacology, biomedical engineers have created a solution that addresses both the mechanical and biological aspects of cardiovascular disease. Bioresorbable stents are another remarkable advancement in the field. Unlike traditional stents, these devices are designed to degrade slowly over time, eventually being absorbed by the body. This eliminates the need for permanent implants and reduces the risk of long-term complications. Biomedical engineers have carefully selected materials that provide the necessary support during healing, then safely dissolve without causing harm. This innovation exemplifies the power of combining material science with medical needs. PTFE-coated stents offer a unique solution to the problem of blood clots forming on stents. The non-stick coating prevents clots from adhering to the device, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient safety. This technology is a testament to the importance of surface engineering in medical device design. By addressing the interaction between the stent and the body's natural processes, biomedical engineers have made significant strides in patient care. Critical goal in stent design is to prevent the artery from becoming blocked again. Biomedical engineers have developed various strategies, such as drug coatings and specialized materials, to minimize the risk of reblockage. These innovations not only improve the longevity of the stent but also enhance the overall effectiveness of the treatment. By continuously refining their designs, engineers ensure that patients receive the best possible care. Medical imaging plays a vital role in cancer treatment, especially when administering chemotherapy. Biomedical engineers have developed advanced imaging techniques to detect tumors and visualize their exact location. This allows doctors to target chemotherapy drugs more precisely, maximizing their effectiveness while minimizing side effects. One such technique is positron emission tomography (PET) scanning, which uses tracers to highlight areas of high activity, such as cancerous tumors. By combining PET with other imaging methods, clinicians can create detailed maps of the body, guiding treatment decisions. Positron emission tomography, or PET, is a powerful imaging technique used to visualize metabolic activity within the body. Patients ingest a tracer, which accumulates in areas with high activity such as tumors. The PET scanner detects the radiation emitted by the tracer, creating images that reveal the location and size of cancerous growths. Often PET scans are combined with other imaging methods to provide a comprehensive view of the body's internal structure. This information is crucial for planning effective chemotherapy treatments and monitoring progress. Accurately measuring the size of a tumor is essential for determining the appropriate dosage of chemotherapy drugs. Biomedical engineers have developed sophisticated imaging software that analyzes scan data to calculate tumor dimensions. This ensures that patients receive the right amount of medication, improving treatment outcomes and reducing the risk of side effects. The integration of engineering and medicine in this process highlights the value of collaboration across discipline. Get the most accurate picture of a patient's condition. Biomedical engineers often combine multiple imaging techniques. For example, PET scans may be used alongside CT or MRI scans to provide both functional and structural information. This comprehensive approach allows doctors to make more informed decisions about treatment, leading to better patient care. The ability to integrate different technologies is a hallmark of biomedical engineering. Biomechanics is a key specialization within biomedical engineering, focusing on the mechanics of the human body. One of its most impactful applications is the design of prosthetics, devices that replace or support missing limbs or body parts. Biomedical engineers use principles of physics and motion analysis to create prosthetics that closely mimic natural movement. By understanding how forces and motion interact, they can develop devices that improve mobility and quality of life for individuals with limb loss. Designing effective prosthetics requires a deep understanding of both engineering and human anatomy. Biomedical engineers analyze the forces involved in movement, using Newton's laws of motion to optimize the design. The goal is to create devices that not only restore function but also feel natural to the user. Advances in materials, sensors, and robotics have made modern prosthetics more comfortable, durable, and responsive than ever before. This ongoing innovation continues to enhance the lives of people around the world. Motion analysis is a critical component of biomechanics, helping engineers understand how the body moves and how prosthetics can best replicate natural motion. By studying both forward and inverse dynamics, biomedical engineers can analyze the forces and torques involved in different activities. This information guides the design of prosthetics that are tailored to individual needs, ensuring optimal performance and comfort. The application of physics in this context demonstrates the power of engineering to solve real-world problems. Biomechanics, forward dynamics involves studying the forces applied to a body and predicting the resulting motion. Conversely, inverse dynamics starts with observed motion and works backward to determine the forces and torques involved. Both approaches are essential for designing prosthetics that function smoothly and naturally. By leveraging these analytical techniques, biomedical engineers can create devices that closely match the user's needs and abilities. Rehabilitation engineering is a branch of biomedical engineering focused on developing technologies to assist individuals with disabilities. This includes not only prosthetics but also devices for mobility, communication, and daily living. By applying engineering principles to rehabilitation, professionals in this field help people regain independence and improve their quality of life. The work is both challenging and rewarding, requiring a deep understanding of user needs and technological possibilities. Biomedical engineering is all about building connections between disciplines, between ideas, and between people. The ultimate goal is to create solutions that address real health problems and improve lives. Whether you're interested in designing medical devices, developing new materials, or analyzing biomechanics, there's a place for you in this exciting field. The key is to find an area you're passionate about and pursue it with curiosity and determination. A degree in biomedical engineering opens the door to a wide range of career opportunities. Graduates can work in medical device companies, pharmaceutical firms, hospitals, or government agencies like the Food and Drug Administration. Some choose to continue their education in graduate school, medical school, or even law school. The skills developed in this field are highly transferable, making biomedical engineers valuable contributors in many sectors. Medical device companies are a major employer of biomedical engineers. In these roles, professionals design, test, and manufacture devices that diagnose, treat, or monitor health conditions. The work is fast-paced and highly collaborative, often involving teams of engineers, scientists, and clinicians. Biomedical engineers in this sector play a crucial role in bringing new technologies from concept to market, ultimately improving patient care. Biomedical engineers also find rewarding careers in the pharmaceutical industry. Here, they may work on developing drug delivery systems, optimizing manufacturing processes, or ensuring product safety and efficacy. The intersection of engineering and pharmacology creates opportunities to innovate in drug formulation and administration, making treatments more effective and accessible to patients. Hospitals and clinical settings offer unique opportunities for biomedical engineers to work directly with healthcare providers and patients. In these environments, engineers may be responsible for maintaining and improving medical equipment, training staff, or implementing new technologies. Their expertise ensures that devices function safely and effectively, supporting high-quality patient care. Government agencies, such as the Food and Drug Administration, employ biomedical engineers to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of medical devices and drugs. These professionals play a critical role in protecting public health by reviewing new products, setting standards, and enforcing regulations. Their work ensures that innovations reach the market safely and benefit society as a whole. Many biomedical engineers choose to pursue further education after earning their undergraduate degree. Options include graduate school for advanced research, medical school for clinical practice, or law school for work in intellectual property and regulatory affairs. Each path offers unique opportunities to deepen expertise and expand career prospects. The foundational skills gained in biomedical engineering provide a strong platform for lifelong learning and professional growth. The future of biomedical engineering is bright, with new technologies and discoveries emerging at a rapid pace. From personalized medicine to artificial organs and advanced imaging, the possibilities are endless. Biomedical engineers will continue to play a vital role in shaping the future of healthcare, improving outcomes, and enhancing quality of life for people around the world. Staying curious, adaptable, and committed to innovation will be key to success in this evolving field. In summary, biomedical engineering is a field defined by its impact on health and society. By combining knowledge from multiple disciplines, biomedical engineers develop solutions that save lives and improve well-being. Whether working in research, industry, or clinical settings, these professionals are driven by a passion for innovation and a commitment to making a difference. As we look to the future, the contributions of biomedical engineers will remain essential to advancing healthcare and addressing the challenges of tomorrow.